It's been this dream burns inside of me, and I can't just let it go. There's still so much that I don't know. I keep my eyes wide open now. Yes, this ground unbroken.
It's a beautiful day. Shows photo shoot, and this is my family, everybody. Don't look awkward in the face when you pose. And Andre and baby Avi, and that's the photographer there, guys. Chev, that is not giving any direction. You look so pretty.
Well, you can do it like that, and then you can do one where you bed and look down for your belly.
Special the photos.
Just not do that.
How come you let it here, come here to push it out?
But you see how that look nice?
Wave to the camera, family. Not it. Yeah. Turn it a little bit. Right. My little sister's maternity photo shoot.
Man.
Don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing.
And Rochelle in the photo now. Don't they look so cute?
Look up and look at daddy,
Smile.
Look at the soda.
Eviana.
Oh,
Eviana.
so just walking.
Smile. Smile. Tell her to look on it. Two. It's like how the mother look to her, she a look about the place.
I look for mommy already.
Evie.
You don't make up your face outside no bad. Laugh on. I can kiss her again. Look at you. Stay along your stay.
Yeah, kiss it. No. Avi and her mommy.
Like, yeah. Funny.
Happy Sunday, everybody, and Merry Christmas when it comes.
See that camera, you know.
The entire family.
Oh.
Andre, you can't look like a gangster that picture. You look nice, like you're happy.
One nice family. Hey. Hold on. Smile. Hey. Smile. What's the big word?
Oh, look at my family. My auntie, my mommy, baby Avi. They look so cute. This Sunday morning, God is good. Trying to make Rochelle look poofy in the gown area.
Please, baby, go and take that. Go, then put it in the other part. Go stand up with your mom. Oh, Lord.
Avi just fall.
Dirty now. Uncle?
I'll set up his camera right there. He's trying to give directions to show what's happening. Yeah, we're getting clouds now.
A lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree.
Do it again.
Yeah, you see. You like that? You like that?
Directing. Nathaniel. Jeez. How was your photo shoot so far? Evie, Marisha, how was your photo shoot so far?
It's wonderful, but my balloon will stay up, so I'm gonna have to probably hold it like this.
Oh. Alright. And the oval of our ancestors. Kiss mom with your auntie, kiss her. Aww.
Hey!
Go and take her. We want to go home. You're not hungry?
Come.
No, I need to play. You need to play.
Daddy gonna carry with your bicycle one day and you ride it.
Ready. Good morning, guys. It's Vlogmas season. It's Christmas season. Today I am going to find out how much for a paint. So I want to paint over my room and also want to paint some part of the house that I don't really like for Christmas, and then we start our Christmas decorations. Also I need to go and buy more decorations, and the tree will be up and all of that. So you guys get to watch all of my Christmas experience just like last year. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna buy paint. Off to that. My gate makes sound when it's opening. This is the road. The road to buying paint. I'm buying paint for the first time by myself. The paint swatches. I'm home, guys. I bought these two cubes. One's supposed to be aqua. One is supposed to be white, or only white. And one is aqua. See? It says aqua. So I bought these two paints and a paintbrush. And so for this week is my Vlogmas week, because we're in the Christmas and festive season. So I bought these two paints and I'm home. My hands were killing me bringing these two paints. Yeah. So stay tuned for all my Vlogmas vlogs, and my vlog will be dropping every week, every Friday or every weekend, because I might not put on Friday, depends on what happened here. But stay tuned for all my vlogs. Every weekend I drop vlogs, okay? So remember to like and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. Peace and love. Bye.
Why did they stop?
Video I'm up into. Nobody comes over here. We're gonna stand over there till they aren't.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Wow, that's all set. Whoa. I think we're getting to a pause in the roadway. That is so good. Merry Christmas, everyone. Nice nose. I like your nose. Nice foot.